Changing the language in the Indeed app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Indeed app. Launch the Indeed app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account for a seamless experience. Step 2. Access the menu. Locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon, typically found in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to open the navigation options. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll through the menu options until you find Settings. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust various app preferences. Step 4. Select Language Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Language or Language Preferences option. Tap on it to view the available languages you can choose from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Select your desired language from the list provided. Once selected, the app will automatically update to display content in your chosen language. After completing these steps, the Indeed app will now reflect your language preference. Enjoy browsing job listings in your preferred language.